Hey guys, I'm Avil back again with another video. This time it is about this Pixel 4a. In this video, let's check on the astrophotography of this Pixel 4a device, and we'll be checking on the samples and we'll see that how significant will be the difference when we compare the normal camera mode and the night side astrophotography. So in this video, let's check on this fact that many YouTubers are saying that, this astrophotography is magical on this device. So we'll be checking on this today. So before we start, if you're new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button to watch more videos. And if you've already subscribed, a big thank you to all of you guys. So let's go outside now. Andhera kaim rahe. It is totally dark outside, and I was expecting a few stars visible around this moon, but we don't have it. But not a problem. We'll be capturing Mr. Moon today without the stars. Okay. Now you can see that it is totally dark. Now we'll be using this Pixel 4a, as I said, and what I'm going to do, first of all, let's capture one photo, and I'm not going to use this night side or the astrophotography. Okay, now let me show you this. If you launch this camera app, okay, now you can see that it is totally noisy. Yeah, now let's do one thing. Let's capture this photo without using the night side or this this astrophotography. Now what I'm going to do, let's switch to night side now. Now if you switch to night side, you can see that the astrophotography will be turned on automatically. Now if you touch here, let me show you this. Okay, we have this option, auto or off. Okay, you can turn this off or you can set it to auto, but we don't have this always on astrophotography mode. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's capture the same image now. Okay, the same location is there. Okay, let's click this. Now you can see that it's 3 minutes plus time, like it's too much. So what I'm going to do, let's wait for 3 minutes and I'll be back. So it is just completed. Now let's check on the photo. Okay, now this is the photo that we have. Now honestly, I can tell you that we can't see, with your naked eyes. Actually right now I can't see the stars, but you can see that there are certain glittering objects around the moon it has captured. Whether it is artificially done or it is actually there, I don't know. Okay, but you can see that if you compare the photo with the previous one, you can see the difference here. It has less noise, but actually it has brightened up the image and it is looking a bit washed out. Yeah, now let's do one thing. Let's take some other photos, okay, and I'll be comparing side by side after that. I found one thing, that unlike other Gcam modes that we use on other devices, on this Pixel 4a, if you turn on the night side and if you point the camera towards any non-celestial bodies, like if you point it towards any house or any not the sky with moon or stars, then the astrophotography won't be on, okay, automatically. This is what I have found. Now you can see that the moon is there, so it is on automatically, the astrophotography. Now what I can do, let's take this photo without this astrophotography first, okay, with this camera mode, and okay, so that's it. Now you can see that this is how it looks. Okay, yeah, so it is looking good. Now let's do one thing. Let's turn on this night side and then we will have the astrophotography. Now let's do it again. Previously it took around 3 minutes plus. Now let's see. Now you can see that it will take 2 minutes plus. So now it's done now. Like now let's check. Guys, now I can see that there is a significant difference without a doubt. You can see that. Let me show you this, the previous one. This is the previous photo, and you can see that it is too much noise and the details were not there. But now you can see that there is a magical change here. You can check the objects on this wall, which was not visible there. Yeah, you can see that it is too much noisy, and here you can see that it's magical. I would say it's really amazing. Now you can see that. Yeah, so I can say that this astrophotography is amazing on this Pixel 4a. So I believe that this will help you to take more photos on your Pixel 4a, and you need one tripod to do this. Now here are some samples. Honestly guys, I'm really impressed here because this astrophotography is making a significant difference here, because it is not like any other night mode where you just see the over brightened images. Here it is also capturing more details. You can see the can on the top of the building here along with the stars, right? And the noise is reduced significantly. Here again you can see that the more details, color accurate image here. And honestly, with your naked eyes, there are certain things that you can't see that this astrophotography can capture, particularly the celestial bodies, the stars. Here again you can see the details, the noise reduction, color reproduction, everything is really good. So I'm really impressed. So guys, I believe that this video will help you to capture more astrophotography images, and if it does, then do let me know in the comments. And if you want to watch more videos on this Pixel 4a, then do share your comments. Okay, so till the next video guys, cheers.